Welcome back to the channel. So today we're doing like the gas tank setup. So I gotta put this setting unit in and put the filter on and see the height of this thing so I can get some mounting bolts and brackets built up for this thing. I got the gas tank setting unit filter. Oh yeah, that thing just grabs right on. Just gotta make sure that thing clears the, stays underneath the frame. There's level right there. I think 3.5 will work for that. Then these brackets over here will line up right there. Line up there and there. Had a couple bolt holes where the clamps are at right now. But it should line up right there. It should have enough coverage. Enough for... I really can't get much lower on the frame than that. That's pretty much dead nuts on there, because you know you're supposed to have a spacer on here to get the body up a little bit. As you see there, the supply and return liner. There's a tinge below the frame there. And the air vents here, I can wrap them around here. And come up and come down the body and then go down below the gas tank for the air vents for that. So if you got the body mounts on there, you should be good to go for putting this out over here. That's kind of hilarious. Look here. So you see here they got the this thing is like a squared off tube just to clear the frame and stay below the body on the 74. So now we're gonna make a little template for the that front bracket on there. So go see if that worked out. Now we gotta straighten that thing out now. Go drill some holes in it now. We got the bracket all done now, so we just gotta drill some holes in it. Well, got it leveled now. It's gonna make the back brackets for this gas tank. Got the front one all mocked up and spaced out, so these back ones are level with the I don't know if you can see this, but this it's level with the bolt back here on both sides. I got them equal with the vices right now. Just gotta make some flat plate so we can bolt it to there on both sides. Then we'll have a level gas tank now. And next is to do a rock slider underneath just to protect it from anything on the getting hit underneath. But we do got some good spacing now. Got a little bit of room there. And it's level all the way across now. And these are below this. We got to snake through there and then go up front. But got to cut the frame and move everything, and so don't need to do that right now. Just get that mocked up and get those other pieces made up now. Got that one all bolted up. So now on to the back. Got this side pulled off now, so just gotta make up a bracket. It goes from there to there. So I fabbed up some cardboard here. You got the holes lined up for that, so got them all marked out on the plate here. Let's cut some, burn some holes in them. Go see if that lines up. Oh yeah, I'll push that right together. Bam! Tell you the bait right there. Now it's time to break out the old chop saw. Got it all nice and lined up there on the mark. Man, finally got that gas tank bolted up. Nice. Got it bolted back here, down there, and got it bolted on those sides, and then got it up front there. Now I just gotta make the rock guard for it next. And the whole reason why I started this whole tear down was because I had a gas leak. So that's what you get when you have a custom gas tank made back in the 80s and put it on when the body's not on. So I went back to the stock gas tank and gonna do a custom rock guard and go from there. But now body's torn apart. So now we're doing a frame up restoration because of this. Plus turning it back into CJ6. So that's it for this one. See you.